Good morning, one and all present here. So, in this lecture video, I'm here to take the subject Introduction to AR VR, which I'm currently handling for the final year open elective class, where other departments other than CS domain will study this particular subjects. So, Introduction to AR VR is nothing but augmented reality and virtual reality. So, and the subject code is 19CSO401. So, let us start with the introduction about augmented reality now. So, if I discuss with Unit 1, the first topic is what exactly is augmented reality is the first definition. So, let me, by seeing this image, we can say like augmented reality is nothing but we will be in the real world with some add-on of digital image or any digital what to say like real world plus digital image will be there. But if I talk about virtual reality, it is nothing but virtual reality will make an illusion that we are exactly present in that particular place. So that is the major difference between augmented reality and virtual reality. So that's what it VR will make an illusion, whereas AR we will be in a real world where plus it will add some digital image. So before seeing the definition of augmented reality, we will just know about who invented this augmented reality. So the name William Stephen Georgeman, who was born on 8th June 1962, he is actually a Canadian engineer and a professor who invents this AR, and he actually works in augmented reality and computational photography, and particularly wearable computing and high dynamic range imaging. So here comes the definition of augmented reality. So if I want to say in layman's term, I can define augmented reality as it enhances the real world by affixing layers of digital elements onto it. So that's what real world will be there, and we are just adding some additional elements that is called as digital elements to it. So that is augmented reality. So digital elements means what all the things can be digital elements means it can be computer generated, it can be a graphics one, or it can be additional sound or video, and it can be a haptic feedback or any kind of objects, sensory objects will be the elements, digital elements. So to say in another definition, it is just an interactive experience which combines both real world and computer generated, that is elements, digital elements. So it will give you a composite view of the for the user. Composite means the combination of real world plus digital world. If I want to say a real-time example for AR, we are using Snapchat, right? So in the Snapchat, if I open Snapchat, it will show some filter. Our real face will be there, and add-on filter will be there. So that is called as that is the best example for augmented reality. So the last definition they have given is it's just a combination of real scene which is viewed by the user and the virtual scene generated by the computer. So real scene will be there, and the virtual scene or the digital element, with the help of the digital element, we can make the virtual scene which augments the scene with additional information. So this is the best definition for augmented reality. So here it is the real image. If you see the first image, it is showing a hand where I have placed my hand in the grass or something. And if you see in the last image, a man who is holding tab, and he is just open its camera, it's showing the grass, but for our seeing, there is the digital element where the house has been made in a digitalized or graphics manner. So it is just we are in a real world, and some digital information can be added to the particular scene. So that is called as augmented reality. So real world plus virtual world, which is equal to augmented reality. So let me have the three basic features here. One is that is a combination of real and virtual worlds, and it will have the real-time interaction with the applications, and it uses accurate 3D graphics of virtual and real objects. So let me continue with the next one. What are all the applications of AR? According to the latest report, they have made the survey in the markets. They have given like by 2024, the growth of using augmented reality will be increased by $72.2 billion. So all this can be possible as companies or colleges are interested in making this particular application, or they are showing interest to use this application of the augmented reality. So let me continue with the application. You can use the AR glass, and one more application is AR can be used in the medical field. In different sectors, AR can be used, and AR can be used in mobiles for gaming. And okay, so these are the main sector where augmented reality mainly used in the real world scenario. In the forthcoming videos, we will be seeing about much more interesting topics in augmented reality. Thank you.